let me show you how you will do any edits into your funnel. So click here under sites, and then you'll find your funnel 5-day challenge. And then for making any kind of edits, you can simply click on the orange button or simply click on the image in here, and it will take you to the full funnel or landing page. And now from here, you can scroll down. And as you can see, this is the message from day one. Let's go back into our original page. So this is a message from day one. And then this is a message from day two. So what I will simply do in here is copy text from day two. Then click in here, delete this, paste. Then I will write out a statement here, what to expect. And as you can see, there are some errors in here. Your task to enhance understanding of your big holistic picture on your conglomerate of thoughts to a beautiful tapestry and roadmap to success. Right. Okay. And let's see. Okay, good. And then same thing for day three. Simply copy. Copy. Here. Paste. View. Will have prioritized and strategize. We will together this urgent medium, and as a result, comma. Okay, there you have it. So that's what you'll need to do. Oh, there's another mistake in here. That's the only thing you need to do here for day 4, day 5. What else? And then here you can add the testimonials. Simply write anything you want in here. We can delete the pictures in here. And for the frequently asked questions, so simply click in here, and you can write something like what to expect from the challenge. Right? Then if you want to write the answer for here, you need to go here on the left side, click in here, and it will open. Now there's no need to show an image in here, so I will remove that. But then you'll need to change this. So something in there, so you know that you need to change that, and so forth. So click on the other one. That would be list item number 2, remove the image, and simply apply what happens after the 5 days. Then again, you can answer this, and so forth. So try thinking about frequent asked questions and simply clicking here and make any edits. And what else? Let's replace this with your information. As this is a virtual thing, we don't need the office location, so we might delete this and just add here your phone number, your email, your site, which is this one actually. So maybe we can remove this also. Yes. And that's it. Always remember to save. And check this out. Whenever you save this, it will bring up the SEO metadata. So you only need to replace this. For example, the title for this is "Girl Organized Life." Description: this is a 5-day challenge. for getting women to organize their life. And then keywords, maybe we can put again, organize your life, woman, challenge, empower woman. So this is important because maybe we can put something on here. The author, the image of your this. Okay, that's it. An update. So this is important because whenever anyone is searching, like doing organical search within Google, they might run into your site, and the only way is updating the SEO thing or adding some keywords in there. How would you do that? If you haven't done that yet, it will pop up as you just saw. But if you want to make any edits, come here into settings, SEO, metadata, and you are able to make any changes in here. So again, always remember to save. Here you can click for a quick preview, and feel free to come and add anything you want that is additional to your site. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.